Welcome dear viewers all. In this video I will explain two effective and easy ways to solve access is denied issue when trying to execute this command, bootrec/fixboot. This command is used to fix Windows 10 boot problems that prevent a user from entering the system with the following error message. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info, and then we'll restart for you. Error message, inaccessible boot device. Or sometimes the blue screen of death with this error code. Before we start, it's important to know that you can watch this video in your own language by enabling the translation feature in the YouTube player. Do not forget to like the video and share it with your friends, as well as subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive similar helpful explanations for computer and mobile problems in addition to amazing tips and tricks related to programs and operating systems. Also, do not forget to add your comment about your problem and the ways that helped you solve it, whether from methods we explained or by your own method, because there are many users who suffer from this problem and your comment will benefit them. Let's see how this problem can lead to hindering the repairing process of Windows boot failure. I will try the following 3 commands that are used to fix Windows boot loop. As you have seen, the Windows boot repair process has stopped with the error message that says access is denied. Now, let's see how to fix that. First method. Type in the command prompt, bootsect/nt60sys and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, bootrec/fixboot to fix boot issue. Type in the command, exit to close command prompt. Finally click on, continue option to start Windows 10 operating system. This method is helpful especially when the blue screen issue is related to the EFI disk format or if the inaccessible boot device error is associated with this error code, 0xC0000225. Insert a Windows 10 installation media into your laptop such as DVD or USB flash. See video description to learn how to install Windows 10 into USB flash card. Press F10 or another key to boot Windows from installation media. Navigate into installation media and hit enter key to boot from that drive. Press any key to boot from installation media once you see this message. Click Next button. Click on Repair your computer. Click on Troubleshoot option. Choose the command prompt from the menu. Type the following word into the command prompt and hit enter. Type the following command to show available disks. Determine which disk is your boot drive number. In my case is 0. Select your boot drive using this command. Show available partitions using this command. Determine which volume is the EFI partition. Select the EFI partition using this command. Assign the V letter to the EFI partition using this command. Back to previous directory using this command. Open V partition using this command. Format the EFI partition using this command. If you have a Windows 10 with build number older than 1709, so add the following command lines one by one and hit enter after each command. If you have a Windows 10 build 1709 or newer, use the following command line only to complete boot fixing process. Also, you can try this command if the previous 4 commands failed with older Windows builds or versions. Type exit into command prompt. Now you will boot into Windows operating system without blue screen error.